Alright, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Honda Safety Driving Center para sa test ride ng 3 big bikes from Honda.
The CB1000R. Borrowed engine from the CB1000RR back in 2006. The naked bike came from the family of CBs, once unveiled in 2007. Replaces the Hornet CB900F, which was produced in 1979 to 1983, with the second generation released in 2002 until 2007. This CB1000R is not comparable to the older model. This has the neoclassical coffee racer style, but sophisticated and modern at the same time. "16 valves, inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, liquid cooled with 107 kilowatt at 10,500 RPM and 104 Newton meter at 8,200 RPM. "16.2 liters of fuel and can finish 17.2 kilometers per liter as recorded. Aluminum radiator cowl, compact LED tail light, swing arm mounted rear fender, radial mounted monoblock calipers with double 310mm disc in front and single 256mm in the rear. It also comes with Showa separate function front suspension. In the rear is a Showa balance-free rear cushion. Multifunctional LCD meter with Honda Intelligent Security Systems. Of course, riding modes, rain, sport, and standard, plus the customable mode called user. It's been 11 years since the last one was up. Welcome to the new era of naked machines.